So, look at the view.
Actually, I think I'm gonna spend the day in this pool.
Yeah. I'm not muting this, so you should say hi. Hi. Look at the pool.
The pool, Dad.
Look at that. Can you even see it? There, look at that pool. I mean, guys, you're not even... That pool is wicked. Okay, I'm gonna go down now. And hope I don't die going down the stairs. Going down the stairs! So, this is the sewage thing. Hi, pal. Vlogging, I'm scared I'm gonna drop my mom's phone. So, we're gonna swim in that pool.
Swim in this.
We're gonna swim in this pool, not this pool. That's not a pool. So,
Pineapple.
should be fun.
Pineapple.